Hi guys, this is Govind and today I'm gonna start a new Python series. So the question is why Python? So I've just collected some points. So let's get started. So it is simple and powerful language. So Python is very simple to learn, but it is very powerful language. And the second point is it's free and open source. Python is free to use. Third point is it's object-oriented programming language, so it supports object-oriented concepts. And the fourth one is lots of great libraries for hackers, so it seems interesting. So for hackers favorite language is Python. And the fifth point is it supports big data analysis, machine learning, and cloud computing as well. And the sixth point is it helps a lot in automation of tasks. So basically Python provides some built-in methods, lots of built-in methods and libraries and free to use. So you must have heard about Tesla's automation pilot mode, and lots of other things as well. You can do just floppy word game, you just can automate almost everything with Python. So the question is why you should not use Python. If Python is giving so many features, you must use Python. So let's get started.